Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best PC case for gaming. Starting at number 5. Fractal Design Define R6. If you're looking for the ultimate quiet PC case, get the Fractal Design Define R6. It's designed specifically for quiet performance while offering solid airflow. The whole case is padded and comes with silent fans, soundproof panels, and padded vents. The case comes with 3 pre-installed fans, all of which are optimized for quiet work, with room for 9 fans in total. Water cooling support is excellent for a mid-tower case. You can fit 3 radiators inside the case. One 420mm, one 360mm, and one 280mm. Modular design allows for multiple setups, depending on the number of storage devices and cooling solutions. There's room for 8 2.5 SSDs or 4 3.5 HDDs and 2 SSDs. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. At number 4. CORSAIR Crystal 280X. The CORSAIR Crystal 280X RGB is an impressive micro ATX case. First of all, it looks very attractive and comes with 2 excellent RGB fans, with room for up to 6 case fans. The airflow could be better, but the noise is pretty low. The case has plenty of room behind the motherboard for cable management, allowing for easy and simple installation of any build. You get excellent RGB support, with included Lighting Node Pro for cool RGB effects. Water cooling support is solid. You can install 3 240mm radiators, one in the top, one on the front, and one on the bottom. The case includes 3 2.5 SSD and 2 3.5 HDD bays, enough for an max case. Halfway of my listed number 3. Cooler Master Box NR400. If you want the best gaming case for your max build but your budget is tight, get the Cooler Master Box NR400. It looks pretty nice, has excellent airflow, and offers plenty for the price. You get a tempered glass panel on the side and mesh front panel for improved airflow. There's room for up to 6 case fans, with 2 fans coming with the case. Water cooling support is excellent for a micro ATX form factor. You can install one 280mm radiator on the front, with room for one 240mm radiator at the top, and one 120mm radiator on the back. Cooler Master Box NR400 supports up to 4 2.5 and 4 3.5 storage devices, along with one 5.25 slot, which is great for a case this small. Coming in at number 2. NZXT H210 Mini ITX. If you need a no-frills mini ITX case that isn't extremely compact, check out the NZXT H210. This is a great mini ITX case featuring signature NZXT design. Airflow is solid for a mini ITX case. You get 2 pre-installed fans and support for up to 4 fans. This case has pretty good water cooling support for its form factor. You have enough space for one 240mm radiator on the front and one 120mm radiator on the back. Cable management is simple, and SU installation shouldn't be complicated. Drive bays are aplenty for the form factor. 3 2.4 bays and one 3.5 that can turn into the 4th 2.5 bay. And number 1. Thermaltake Core V21. If you're planning to tuck a powerful machine inside a mini ITX case, get the Thermaltake Core V21. This is a superb mini ITX case that offers excellent performance, plenty of features, and all that inside a compact housing. First of all, this case has plenty of room for all of your components. Installation of any system should be simple, and cable management is great. Next, airflow is pretty good thanks to the 200mm pre-installed fan. The case can house up to 12 fans, which is insane for a mini ITX case. Water cooling support is the best in the class. You can hook up one 240mm radiator on the front, one 240mm and one 280mm radiator on the top, one 280mm radiator on each side, and one 120mm radiator on the back. Yes, that's more than most mid-tower and full-tower cases offer. The case supports up to 5 2.5 SSDs. 3 of those drive bays can be used for 3.5 HDDs. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below